Welcome to the channel. This is Safelyo, where we help you protect your online privacy and take control of your digital footprint. In today's video, we'll show you how to share your VPN connection via hotspot on both Windows and Android. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect to your VPN using the WireGuard or OpenVPN protocol for the best performance. Step 2. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, and toggle Mobile Hotspot to On. Step 3. Go to Control Panel and choose Network and Internet. Click on Change Adapter Settings. Right-click and choose Properties. On the Sharing tab, tick the box and click OK. Step 4. Connect other devices to your PC's hotspot, and they'll use the VPN. Open your VPN app and connect to your desired server. Go to Android Settings and enable Mobile Hotspot. Download and open the app Every Proxy. Enable HTTP Proxy. You will see an IP address and a port number. Go to another device. Go to Network and Internet and choose Proxy. Click Setup. Enter information on your Every Proxy app and click Save. And that's it. Now you know how to share a VPN connection via hotspot on Windows and Android. For more guides on protecting your privacy and reducing your digital footprint, like and subscribe for more tech tips.